the flow beneath my feet, the steady beat that calls us deep. Every path we take leads us to this place where time moves forward, steady in its grace. We walk along, the beats our guide, emotion bound, no need to hide. The space around us starts to shift, we're in the current, feeling swift. The sound surrounds, we rise and fall, a steady pulse, we give our all. Lost in the music, we don't need to speak, a bond is strong, no need to seek. The beat is growing, building higher, we move as one, a force that inspires. Every note we hear is guiding clear, we keep on moving, no trace of fear. Every thought begins to unwind, we let the sound erase our minds. With every move a shift in space, we feel it coming, we can't erase. The change is constant, we embrace. The sound is steady, setting pace. Every step we take leads to more. We're in the flow, it's what we're for. Hold it steady, now the sound is clear. Rising higher, no trace of fear. We're caught inside, we feel it start. The flow is strong, we're moving hearts. Each beat connects, we're never lost. The pull is real, we pay the cost. Keep it going, feel the drive. We move as one, we're staying alive. We're moving like the shifting currents, turning, falling, endless, constant. Every sound we hear is what we need, taking us higher, we're free indeed. The movement takes us never still, riding forward, we have the will. Every note we play, we live it true. We keep on moving, it's what we do. And if we drift, we'll find a way. The beat will guide us, come what may. We break the chain, we lose the fight, and rise again, we'll feel the light. Now we're here again, no turning back. The sound is clear, we're on this track. With every move we hit, we take it slow. The current pulls us, we let go.